B1 lesson 38, which is the most interesting lesson in B1, where we learn about would rather and would sooner. These things or these terms are really crucial and very important in terms of speaking. When you use would rather and would sooner, they are way more advanced in terms of the vocabulary and in terms of the grammar. When you use it, people see you as a person who really understands it, and using it appropriately marks the understanding of it. Let's see the meaning of would rather. Would rather is used to express preference. When I say would rather, it's just like I prefer this. It means you prefer something, like one thing more than another. When you prefer one thing more than another, that's what we call preference. Example, I would rather stay home. I would rather stay at home. Let's see that in terms of the structure. When we use would rather, it is followed by a verb. Always would rather is followed by a verb. That's the main structure. Would rather plus V1, which is the base verb. I would rather eat at home. She would rather leave early. The verb is always in the base form. I repeat again, the verb is always in the base form. The verb that follows would rather is always a V1. That's something you should mark. I have written it wrongly. Let me try to mark it very well. In this structure, when we go into this structure, what do we mean by that? We mean that always, always, always would rather is followed by a V1, which is a base form of the verb. Like you see here, eat, live. And when we have she, please don't add s. Don't add s here. We only do add s when we are in present simple verb to be only. That's the case where we add s. Don't be confused. Let's see would rather when we have now two choices. That was would rather with one preference. But how about having two preferences? When you have this A and B. Remember, there is a lesson in A2, if I remember well, where we had a would rather thing, where we learned a little bit of it as an introduction in A2. Now this time it's in a profound way. The structure we take would rather plus verb plus than plus another verb. We use would rather plus verb plus than plus verb. That's the two things that we have here. Let's see. I would rather. Why am I drawing line in such way? I would rather walk than take a taxi. Means what? Means like I prefer walking to taking a taxi. I prefer walking to taking a taxi. I would rather walk than take a taxi. He would rather study than watch TV. You see, now I'm comparing two choices. I have two choices. I'm comparing what? Studying and watching TV. So he said that he would rather study than watch TV. You see the verb here, the verb being used. If you check very well, they're all V1. You have walk, take, study, watch. They're all V1. Let's now look at what we call the would rather with other people. That was the first part where we looked at would rather, but in a way that simply talked about you, specifically you alone, specifically you as an individual. The person that we are talking at was me or one person. How about the preference on myself, the preference on himself, the preference on herself? But now, how about you preferring something for another person? Not that person preferring that. No, it is you now preferring something on another person. I don't know if I'm making sense. The first preference was one-on-one thing. And the second is preference of you on another person, another body. Let's see. When the subject is different, use past simple. When we have a different subject. Remember the first one, we had the same subject. Now this time we have second subject. The second subject, I mean there's the first subject in me and I prefer something on another person. We are two different subjects. Now when we have two different subjects, now we use past simple. We use would rather plus subject, the subject of the person that you're saying, now plus past simple. I will make a little explanation like this. In the first place, we said that we use would rather plus V1. Let me give you an example. My name is Eme. Eme, yes. Now I'm going to give you my preference. I would rather teach. I would rather teach. That's me. I'm talking about myself. Eme would rather teach. If it's you who's saying that. If it's me who's saying, I say, I would rather teach. But if it is you who is saying, you say, Eme would rather teach English. Now let's shift another thing. Suppose my name is Eme. Let me call myself A. Then I prefer something on my friend Bruno. My friend, for instance, is called Bruno. Let me call Bruno B. Now I'm going to tell you what I prefer on Bruno. I see Bruno, I see that he's good at mathematics. He's not good at English. And Bruno likes teaching English. He doesn't like to teach math. But he's not as good at English as at math. So I'm going to give him like my opinion, my advice. I will say I would rather Bruno taught math. I would rather, that's me, Eme would rather Bruno. You see that? Eme would rather Bruno. That's the other subject I'm talking about. This other subject, I'm putting that person, the second subject. The first is here, then the second is the other subject. I would rather, Eme would rather Bruno taught, instead of teach, I say taught mathematics. That's what I wanted to help you understand in details. I would rather you came early. She would rather he stayed at home. She would rather he stayed at home, and I would rather you came early. You see, the meaning is present or future. I can say, when I say I would rather you came early, maybe I'm talking about now. This person is late, and maybe I want this person to never come late again. I say now, you are late and you have missed a lot of things. So I would rather you came early. You have missed lots of things. Like I can tell you this time, like I would rather you studied English every day. That simply implies that present, at current moment, you don't study English every day. But again, the meaning can also be future. I can use it implying for the future way. Let me give you an example. My friend always comes to work late, and I would rather he came early because they are about to fire him or her. That's a future thing. I want this friend of mine to come early in the future so that they can't fire him. She would rather he stayed at home. That's my present wish or my future wish. Now, meaning of would sooner. We have seen would rather Now let's go to would sooner. Would sooner has the same meaning as would rather. It is slightly more formal or less common. People like to use would rather instead of would sooner, but they are the same in terms of the meaning. I would sooner stay here, the same I would rather stay here. Let's see the structure of would rather. Would sooner. We use would sooner plus V1 when we have two different comparison. I use would sooner plus verb plus than plus verb. That's in terms of two preferences, when I have two preferences. And remember these first two structures, these ones that we have here, A and B, they talk about one subject. It is just a one subject. And this last one, this one here, talks about different subjects, two different subjects. And remember we said that when you have two different subjects, you use past simple just the same as would rather. So we use would sooner plus V1, this V1, and would sooner verb plus than plus verb when you're comparing two things, and would sooner plus subject plus past simple when we have two different subjects. I would sooner wait. She would sooner leave than argue. We would sooner you called first. We would sooner you called first. Let's see would rather in comparison with would rather. When I say would rather, it is very common and used in everyday English. This is very common. Most of the people use would rather. Would sooner is more formal, is more academic and more into the writings, and used less often. Not always people use it. But both express preference and follow the same grammar rules. Their rules are the same, the structures are the same. The difference is that one is very common and another is less common. Let's fill in the blanks here. Complete the sentence using would rather or would sooner. I dash dash stay at home tonight. She dash dash leave early than be late. We dash dash wait for the teacher. He dash dash you told him the truth. They dash dash travel by bus. Complete the sentences correctly. I would rather dash dash now. She would sooner dash dash at home. We would rather dash dash eat than outside. I forgot to put here go. He would sooner you dash dash first. They would rather dash dash early. Choose the correct structure. I would rather dash dash than drive. You're going to put the correct structure. You just choose your own words, then you fill in the correct thing making sense. She would sooner dash dash the meeting. We would rather you dash dash on time. He would sooner dash dash than complain. They would rather dash dash together. Complete the sentences. I would rather dash dash at home today. She would sooner dash dash than argue. We would rather you dash dash carefully. He would sooner dash dash early. They would rather dash dash the truth. Choose the correct option. I would dash dash stay home tonight. She would rather dash dash than wait. We would sooner you dash dash earlier. He would rather dash dash by bus. They would sooner dash dash the problem. Thank you, Church. I hope you have understood everything and see in the next lesson.